Effective landing pages are important. While technology has transformed business and there are now many businesses that exist solely in the digital space, some things never change. Once a potential customer arrives, the goal is to have that person make a purchase before they leave. If we put this into fast food terms, we can imagine a fast food place that sells hamburgers. The goal of the restaurateur is to have a lobby that welcomes guests into the store, has an easy-to-read and obvious menu, and not have those customers walk out without making a purchase. Online, a landing page is the equivalent of a lobby. That means having an effective landing page can significantly increase both the number of visitors to one's website and interest in one's offers. While having a great landing page is important, creating one takes some skill. So what are some tips to create an effective landing page? Number 1, define the main offer. Your main offer should be clear and easily understood at a glance. Visitors should have their interest piqued and experience a desire to learn more. It might be tempting to put all one's products on offer, but focus on one product or service that you want to promote. Users don't want to play Sherlock Holmes to figure out what main product a landing page is promoting. To put this into our earlier example, most fast food places have a primary food that they sell. Burgers, burritos, or fried chicken, the main food should be obvious. If it's not, potential customers might get overwhelmed and confused by the myriad of choices and head to a restaurant with fewer, but less overwhelming, options. Number 2, feature the advantages over competitors. Create a list of real advantages that your product or service has over competitors. It can be the product's uniqueness, better quality, better prices, faster delivery, or something else. Present them in the format of short and concise points. Visitors should find it very easy to compare your product to competitors and see the benefits of yours. One often sees this in fast food advertisements. A restaurant will promote their healthier options, their cheaper options, or their unique food. When a lot of restaurants are selling hamburgers, a restaurateur must let people know why eating his or her hamburgers is the best option. Number 3, include promotions and gifts. Share an exciting promotion or gift offer. This can encourage visitors to leave their contact information. For example, offer a discount on the first purchase or a free trial period for services. Contact information is valuable. While a visitor might not be ready to buy right then, they may be later. Contact information allows for consistent follow-up that allows you to keep your name and services at the top of a potential customer's mind. Many restaurants offer apps that allow restaurateurs to push ads and track purchases. People allow this as these apps offer incentives like a free coffee after so many purchases or a random coupon for something free. Number 4, write accurate product descriptions. The product description is one of the most important elements of your landing page, as it helps potential customers understand what exactly you offer and why they should make a purchase. Very few people will buy a product they don't understand and/or don't think that they need. People go to restaurants for a few different reasons. They may go because they are hungry or thirsty, but they also might go if a particular advertised product looks desirable. Whether one is selling a hamburger, camera, or car, the product description needs to be done well. So what are the main elements of a product description? A clear, specific, and attractive title that makes visitors want to know more. A short description of 1 or 2 sentences that gives a general idea of the product and highlights important features. The detailed description should include the main specifications and features of the product and explain how they make the product better and provide more advantages to users. A high-quality, clear, and professional image that showcases different angles and contextual images should be included so users are satisfied they've seen the product in its entirety and can more easily visualize how the product will fit into their lives and benefit them personally. If possible, one might also choose to include a video review that shows the product in action to increase user engagement and allow them to more quickly assess the product. The product's price and current promotions should be clear, and additional enticements such as installment options or free shipping should be included to help customers overcome possible hesitations. The last but certainly not least element is a call to action button such as buy now or learn more, or other action button that will encourage and make it easy for the user to buy or contact you. By applying these tips, you can create an effective landing page that will attract more visitors and encourage them to take action. At Swan Software Solutions, we create high-quality software, websites, and more to help our clients succeed. Visit us at swansoftwaresolutions.com to schedule a free assessment.